How's it guys, and welcome to another video. Sorry I forgot to make an intro for these outings. Myself and Zaid hit KOSTER Dam for the first time. Wanted to try something new with some friends, and yeah, it was tough. It was a tough dam, but here are some clips, and enjoy.
You just come out the river and you do some fish. This is the average we catch, which is nice. It's fun. They've got bellies and they can feel their fight. Nice, a box, eh?
Nice average size.
Well done.
1 point something, maybe a lot of football.
There you go, on the roll.
Yeah. Damn it.
Decent fish.
Let it swim, let it swim.
Got some weight to it. Holy moly, look at that belly.
Are they fat?
That's a nice fish. Short, but it will probably reach the kilo. How's that?
They all close like it.
Jeez. Very nice. First fish. Yeesh. Miss it.
Yeah, they're missing it though.
Ah, he's got it. Yeah, it seems like so far these are the averages. That's alright.
I just thought that.
It's better than all those dinghies we've been having.
Ah, they're nice and fat.
Big fish, net fish.
Not that big.
Giving you a good box.
Yeah.
She's like it, dude. It's a good fish.
It's a very nice fish.
Yeah, look him there, dude. Like a pro. Nice. There we go.
Thanks for the call. fish.
Yeah, wave.
$1.61.
That's a nice fish. Nice, man.
What a box, dude.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Nice.
Are you in spot lock? Right in these reeds, eh?
Juicy, juicy. What did he spit out? A little fish? What is it?
It's a little fish.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Check into the belly here, eh? Little football. Spat my last freaking bait. Stitch box so well though. Oh, he ate that one. Didn't manage to catch it. Nice thing about this is the coffee is always boiling hot. Hang on.
Right into the grass.
Almost sounded like he came off. It
No,
didn't.
he's still on. Still the head shape.
Nice. Out of his mouth.
Must be the same guy. Hovering around me.
Let me come back for it. Yeah. He's above your line, huh? It's a small guy with lots of grass. That's a pity. Would have been nice to have a surprise, eh?